President Bongbong Marcos inspects some flood-hit areas in Metro Manila. Marcos went to the Kamanava area on Thursday to check in on the situation and distribute aid. Parts of Kamanava or Caloocan, Malabon, Navotas, and Valenzuela were flooded due to Carina and Habagat. The President assured affected residents of enough budget for assistance and rehabilitation. Marcos also vowed to improve the government's flood control projects.
So we have to relook, we have to re-examine some of the designs of our flood control. Dahil the amount of water was not as bad as Ondoy. But the effect were greater than Ondoy. Mas malaki ang baha. Mas marami tayong flood control ngayon kaysa noon. Pero climate change, this is what the effects of climate change are.
Actually, napanood mo ba yung parang naging briefing niya bago siya lumabas sa kalye?
Oo,
mainit ulo niya. Tapos talagang yung haba nung ano niya, yung buntong hinanga niya dahil may mga questions sa doon na hindi masagot. Na parang kumbaga, motherhood, generalize yung question. He wants to know yung exact details ng mga technicalities ng mga apektado nga nitong bagyo.
Alam mo, there's one thing that I agreed with him, no? Kasi may mga differences of policies with the President. But there's one thing na I agree na he said, nung medyo bago-bago pa siya na, di ba, bakit ang dami-daming tubig ng Metro Manila, Pilipinas, pag nagbabaha, nagkakaproblema tayo, baha ka agad. Pero, pag tagtuyot naman, walang katubig-tubig. Diba? Parang it's common sense. Why is this happening? Now, is there a way, sabi niya, that we translate this water into, we catch the water properly and store it immediately pag nagbabaha? Dahil tuwing baha, tama naman si Pangulo, grabe ang flood mo. Tapos, nung nagkaroon ng El Nino, walang katubig-tubig, di ba? So, mali ba ang positioning ng mga floodgates? Mali ba ang positioning ng dikes natin? Do we need new dams because nag-change na ang terrain?
Mga catch basin.
These dams were made long time ago. Mga Lamesa Dam, medyo luma na yan. Siyempre, nag-iba na ng terrain natin dito. Do we need new dams in the area considering the flood that we are experiencing? Mga dating hindi binabaha na ngayon. So, di ba? So, titignan natin, how can we catch this water?
Importante dyan, tututukan itong balita na to kasi baka mamaya when, okay, all the floods are subsided na, nakalipat na ulit yung mga kababayan natin na nawala ng tirahan, etc. Okay na ulit, wala na ulit mag-check nung balitan. So, kailangan talaga tututukan to kasi otherwise,
if our lawmakers are intelligent
we're just going to be reactive all the time.
Makikita naman nila na yung baha at pag-ulan is a continuous thing. It is a thing that happens all throughout the year.
Sino yung nagsabi na Sino ba yung nagsabi na sabi niya kaya daw bumaha kasi malakas ulan? Tapos nagalit si Senator Chis Escudero. That's unacceptable.
Si SP Chis uminit ulo. Natural.
Okay, anyway, sige. Kamustahin pa natin yung iba pang mga apektado po ng baha. No? At least 14 people were reported dead due to habagat and Typhoon Carina.